Understanding the clock is fast, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that can be a bit confusing. The clock is fast. Stick around to discover what this phrase means, when to use it, and some examples to help you master it. When someone says, "The clock is fast," they're not talking about the clock's speed in a race. Instead, they mean that the clock shows a time that is ahead of the actual time. For example, if it's really 2 p.m. but the clock says it's 2:05 p.m., then the clock is fast by 5 minutes. Understanding phrases like, "the clock is fast," is crucial because they relate to everyday situations. Whether you're in a school, office, or just talking about time with friends, knowing these phrases can help you communicate more clearly and avoid misunderstandings. This phrase is typically used in informal settings. You might hear someone say it when trying to synchronize watches before starting an event or when pointing out that a public clock needs adjusting. Here's how you can use it. Observing a discrepancy. "I thought I was late, but your clock is fast." Making adjustments. "Can you set your watch correctly? It's fast." Let's look at some examples to see how "the clock is fast" can be used in everyday conversations. 1. At home, we need to fix the wall clock. "It's fast, and I keep thinking I'm late for work." 2. In school, "The classroom clock is fast, so don't pack up yet. We still have 5 minutes." 3. While setting up a meeting, "Let's start the meeting at 10 o'clock sharp." Make sure your watch isn't fast. Understanding the phrase, "the clock is fast," enhances your ability to communicate about time accurately. It's one of those small details that can make a big difference in everyday English conversation. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand this phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering these nuances in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.